Alright guys, so we just got to Tennessee. Alright guys, so it is Monday morning. We just got up. I haven't even done my hair yet. We don't really have plans for the next couple of days. We're just kind of go downtown and do stuff and hang out. So I'm bringing the camera, I'm bringing the big camera, I'm gonna film a bunch of stuff. I have been. So make sure to look. I'm not sure how I'm gonna break these videos up. Maybe 2 videos, 3. Not really sure, but yeah, it's next morning. So here we go.
Set on it, the highest mountain we can climb.
Alright guys, so we came back to the Airbnb to charge up our phones and relax for a bit, change for dinner. We're going back downtown here in a couple minutes. A lot of rain this morning and it's now really nice out, really warm. And obviously get more B-roll footage. I'm actually thinking about not bringing the big camera with me tonight, just bring this guy. And then maybe going around town with the big camera tomorrow. And yeah, so we're gonna go get dinner. Here we go. I'm actually changing it up. I'm not bringing this guy. I'm only bringing this one. And we'll just get some B-roll stuff with that guy because this one is broken and it's just hard to deal with when I'm bringing it around. Plus I'm not bringing a bag. But we're just gonna film B-roll this time in the city, so see you guys later.
The highest mountain we can climb. And when we reach the summit, pieces inside our hearts collide.
So what's happening is we're taking photos, but we don't have anyone to take the photo. So I'm doing setting, time, where it blinks, and then it's gonna take 3 burst photos, and then you can see the light here will blink. And when it blinks faster, and then it takes 3 photos, and that's how we get photos of each other when we're by ourselves. So that's what we're doing right now on the rooftop here with the skyline in the background. And yeah, so we're gonna get back to it. Well, in a minute, we're waiting for a cloud to cover the sun. So this camera actually overheated upstairs with the time lapse going on. But pretty much we were just getting photos. We're getting ready to leave. We're going to get lunch right now at the Pinewood Social. Not gonna bring this camera just because I don't want to bring a bag. I don't have the pocket space for it. So I'm just gonna bring the big camera, film a little bit. And I'll keep you guys updated as much as I can. If not, it's just gonna be a bunch of B-roll of the city. If I don't talk to you guys before I get back, I'll update you guys when we get back with this camera. So, see you guys. day. We have about an 8-hour drive back. That's straight through before we stop, so we have about a day's drive back with getting gas and food and all that stuff. So we got the car packed up. All we have left is I have all my gear here from shooting and my sunglasses, and that's about it. So we're leaving now. Bye Airbnb. Bye Tennessee.
Bye, Tennessee.